High Street House is an architectural masterpiece that blends ingenious design with aesthetic beauty. Designed by Lineburg Wang in 2023, this home is located in Brisbane, Australia, on a compact 253 square meter site. It transforms a small pre-1911 cottage into a modern, highly functional, and flexible living space. With a building area of only 130 square meters, this project faced significant challenges in maximizing limited space. The design defies conventional room requirements, instead emphasizing strategies to visually and functionally expand the space. Every corner is carefully arranged to ensure maximum utility. At the heart of this home is the special room, a multipurpose area. Unlike typical homes, this space lacks permanent walls or fixed cabinetry that constrain its function. Instead, it is surrounded by a highly efficient utility core inspired by commercial tower design principles. The utility core includes laundry facilities on the ground floor, a fridge and pantry on the mid-level, a DJ booth on the upper level. These elements are stacked vertically to optimize circulation space that is often underutilized. This special room is highly flexible, allowing residents to cook, dine, relax, entertain, or play with ease. Half of this room extends into an outdoor area seamlessly connected to the interior. Although the site is not prone to flooding, its proximity to an overland flow path influenced the choice of durable materials. The extension is built using brick and block, elevated to avoid moisture damage. Courtyard walls are designed to filter out neighboring views, redirecting attention to the surrounding greenery. Glimpses of pitched roofs, classic chimneys, and vintage antennas bring nostalgic elements into harmony with the environment. The private areas of the house maintain the cottage's original character. Room proportions are preserved, along with distinctive ornamental posts and trims. Through careful consultation with town planners, this project also challenges inner-city setback regulations while respecting the context of its location. High Street House exemplifies how smart architectural design can create spaciousness within limited space. With its flexibility, durable materials, and respect for its historical character, this home offers an adaptive and sustainable lifestyle for future generations.